Question 17. In a normally distributed set of scores, the mean is 23 and the standard deviation is 5. Approximately what percentage of the scores will lie between 18 and 33? Given that the actual scores are normally distributed, we can use z-scores to find the percentage of scores that lie between any two z-scores. So we need to work out the z-scores that correspond to 18 and 33. Now we know that the mean mu is 23 and the standard deviation sigma is 5. So we can use the z-score formula, which is the raw score minus mu over sigma, to find the z-score that correspond to both 18 and 33. So using the z-score formula, the z-score for 18 is 18 minus 23 over 5, which equals -1. And the z-score for 33 is 33 minus 23 over 5, which equals 2. Using the fact that the normal distribution is symmetrical about z equals 0, which corresponds to mu, and applying the empirical rule, we know that around 95% of scores lie between a z-score of -2 and +2. That means half of those 95% of scores will lie between z equals 0 and z equals 2. So around 47.5% of scores will lie in this region. Now again, applying the empirical rule, we know that around 68% of scores lie between a z-score of -1 and +1. So around half of those 68% of scores will lie between a z-score of -1 and 0, which is around 34%. So the percentage of scores that lie between z equals -1 and z equals 2 is found by adding 34% to 47.5%, which gives us 81.5%. So approximately 81.5% of scores lie between 18 and 33. Therefore, the answer is option D.